Shu, your host, your explorer, your traveler, your videographer, bringing you to another adventure. Tomorrow's supposed to be one of the biggest typhoon superstorms in Hong Kong, but today is a wonderful sunny day, and I will bring you to a must-see place in Hong Kong. Let's go check it out. So we finally made it here to the must-see place in Hong Kong, and it's the Peak. Look at this, look at this. Alright, let's go check out what the hype is all about at the Peak in Hong Kong and why it's a must-see place. Let's go. So we made it to the sky terrace of the Peak. Do you see that view? It is amazing. You can see all of Hong Kong, but be cautious. Come on a good day because a lot of times it can be smoggy and you don't get this amazing view. And when a lot of people come to the sky terrace, they're like, look at this view. What they don't see is that if you walk a little bit further along the sky terrace, you get to this amazing view. It's totally different. You come to the water. Look at that. So you get the best of both worlds. You get the city and the buildings of Hong Kong on one side. You get the water and the mountains on the other side. One caveat though is the sky terrace costs 52 Hong Kong dollars, and you get this kind of souvenir ticket. Is it worth it? I'm not too sure, but I will show you guys a trail that you guys can walk along here. It takes around 40 minutes to walk the whole thing, but it is free and you get a view similar to this. Let's go check it out. Check it out. So this trail is called the Peak Circle Walk. You come out and you find this sign. It takes roughly about 45 minutes to walk the whole thing. Totally worth it, highly recommend it. Check it out. Alright guys, so I think I found the perfect drone spot. So I'm gonna set up camp right here and set up. We only have an hour, a little bit less than an hour before the sun sets, which means we don't have a lot of time, which means I have to get this in the air before the sun sets to get you awesome drone shots. Let's go. Let's go. Remote. Phone. Alright guys, so this video is coming to an end. I know it's such a sad time that we have to part our ways for now. But don't worry, because there will be a next video next time. It's gonna be storm and typhooning tomorrow. Maybe I'll make a video about that. But guys, if you thought this video was helpful, you enjoyed it, and if you will come here, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and everything a YouTuber would say at the end of a video. But if there's any other place you want me to check out in Hong Kong, leave a comment below, and I will check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Michael out.